Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to get Twitch on a Hisense Android TV, explained clearly and step by step, so you can start watching live streams in just a few minutes. Step 1. Check your Hisense TV's operating system. First, make sure your Hisense TV is running Android TV. Press the Home button on your remote, go to Settings, then Device Preferences or About, and confirm that it says Android TV. This method works only for Android TV models, not Vita OS. Step 2. Open Google Play Store. From the home screen, navigate to the Google Play Store. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet and that you're signed in with your Google account. Step 3. Search for Twitch. In the Play Store, select the search icon and type Twitch using the on-screen keyboard or voice search. Look for the official Twitch app published by Twitch Interactive Inc. Step 4. Install the Twitch app. Select the Twitch app and click Install. Wait a few seconds for the download and installation to complete. Step 5. Open Twitch on your Hisense Android TV. Once installed, choose Open or find Twitch later in your Apps section on the home screen. Step 6. Log in to your Twitch account. When you open the app, you'll see a login screen. You can log in by scanning the QR code with your phone or by visiting the activation link shown on the screen and entering the code from your TV. Step 7. Start watching and following streams. After logging in, you can browse live channels, follow your favorite streamers, watch esports, gaming, music, and live events directly on your Hisense Android TV. That's it. Now you're ready to enjoy Twitch on the big screen. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tech guides.